pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and if you don't understand, just comment below. You don't understand, and see if we can help you out. But anyways, so this application here does is pretty much increase the quality of the video that you have and also the image. As you can see here from the example at the top, and they do have the HD option where you can improve the quality of your video. You can go ahead and let's say select your video here, and as well you can crop it out and give it a try as it relates to increasing the quality of the video. So do keep in mind you do have limitations as to how long the video. You can select the video from, you can adjust it a bit, but normally it's only 60% that will be affected or improved. So do make sure you select those 60 seconds of the video wisely. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you do have this option here which allows you to improve the face quality, and once you have selected that option, be able to swipe across or roll in the gallery section down here. So do make sure you allow the access to the gallery. Once of course first open the application, we'll ask you that to stop and allow, and you'll be able to see all the photos. And all you have to do is just select the photo that you want to increase the facial features for. Same thing for this here, select that option. As you can see here, it does show you what you can do. So all you have to do is just select the image or the video and you get these results. So that's the version that here. So as you click your subscription, you get the money premium option at the top here. To get your subscription, you have a 1 month and a 1 year subscription, and they do show you what to be getting as it relates to your subscription here. So that's pretty much it for this application. And if you have created anything on the application, just go in the project section and you'll be able to find it here. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoy. See you in the next one.